off my horse, and I can't let you go. You are the one who makes me feel so real. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, what am I supposed to do? Oh, what am I supposed to do, baby, when I'm so hooked up on you? Then I realize, that you are somebody else's guy. Oh yeah. Why you wanna do this to me, boy? Can you remember the times we spent together, sharing the days in the sun? But then I found out that you were somebody else's love. After all our plans were made, now they're shattered. But still I can't get off my horse. I can't let go. You are the one who makes me feel so real. Ooh, what am I supposed to do when I'm so on you? And then I realize that you're somebody else's guy. That day in September, I'm sure you can remember. That's when all the stuff hit the fan. You told me a lie, and you didn't have an alibi. But baby, yet I still cared. You know I loved you so, baby, that I can't let you go. No, no. You are the one who makes me feel so real. Ooh, what am I supposed to do when I'm hooked so on you? And realize that you're somebody else's guy.
I got the blues, but I don't mind. All I have to do is get to you, and then I feel just fine. I'm on a down, but not all the way. When I'm feeling low, you do your thing just so, and then I feel okay. You're so good, the way you give. You're so good, you're the best there is. I got the blues, got it all so bad. When I think of me, it's hard to be a person quite so sad. You got the answer, and it makes me glad. When I'm feeling slow, you give me rock and roll, and then I feel it back. You're so good, the way you give. You're so good, you're the best there is.